So, day 3 in the hospital. Pretty much not having to do anything. I don't have to think anything myself. Everything is done for me. It's 15 past 8. I have slept very well, and my surgery will take place in about 4 hours. I was super worried that I can't sleep the last night, because you're just so much worried that if you don't sleep, then how will you go to the operation and stuff. I got the sleep medication, it worked, and after taking that, I fell asleep in 5 minutes, I think. It worked super well. About being here, it's like living in a hotel, really. You get 3 times a day food. They bring it to my room. I will eat, then they bring the dishes away. I can walk around in a hospital. There's a piano downstairs, I could play that. And yeah, people are super friendly here. I have been talking with the anesthesiologist and the surgeon, and I have some hopes that it will go better than I expected, because I may not need to have a new valve. The surgeon told that it may be possible to fix my current heart just as is, and that means I would need no medication in the future. Probably have to do some examinations, but nothing so serious then. And then yeah, it's so awesome. Being in the hospital is actually quite relaxing, and I always try to, well, I feel like I have so much stuff to do here that I need to, if I can even complete everything I wanted to do, because I wanted to do some work here with my laptop, and I wanted to also read a lot, listen to some music, but actually, like, you just can't do only one thing, you know. Although the day is so long, I am being waken up at 7, so I'm just sleeping here, and then someone just doesn't even knock. They just come in, put these huge lights on your face, and you're like, oh, good morning. Yeah. This is my room. Pretty small, or like, no, it's not small, sorry. It's just it is one room. and yeah, there's this my window. Look outside. I'm on the 3rd floor. There's a lot of cars there. Yeah. I haven't been outside since I entered the hospital, although I can go out. I just had a feeling like the first time I will go outside is actually when I have done everything. So yeah, this is the bathroom. It's pretty big actually. The shower and everything. Wearing my hospital clothes at the moment. I took so many clothes with me, but they told me in the end that I need to wear these during, or like pre-op. I don't know. So I'm doing that. What they say. I've been talking to anesthesiologist and the surgeon, and they have given me a lot of confidence. Really helps just now waiting to go already. In under 4 hours. Yep. In the hospital, nothing special is happening. They are doing some blood tests and some EKG, and took the urine sample, and that's all. Other time you just sit in the bed and wait for the next time when you get food and do your own stuff. A lot of calling with my friends and relatives, so I don't actually feel alone here, and it helps a lot to get your mind away. I have a feeling that it's not so bad as I thought it was, and I guess it's a positive note. Today I have to take my last shower at 10, and at 12 is the surgery. Also, I can't eat anything today. I can't drink much today. Also, the 10 o'clock is the last time when I can have my last sip of water, and I can only drink 1 glass of water today in total. So yeah, gonna wake up at some point in the night, probably don't understand anything. I'm tubed up. They're putting something in my neck, something to my veins, and the bladder catheter, which is like a small tube to your bladder through the skin. I also took part in one study where I allowed them to take some samples from my tissues, or like they're taking some bits and pieces from here and there, from my liver and from my aorta, and they are studying the heart diseases and collecting data of the people who have some certain conditions. So I was asked if I would participate, and I was like, why not? If I can help anybody anyway, let's do it. But yeah, that's it for now. Waiting for the operation. Like and subscribe. And bye.